Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can attach your wrist strap lanyard onto your Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This is the Xplorer Grip. So what you're going to do is right there at the very bottom, you'll see that grommet, and you're going to weave this into there just like so. All right, and then you see that little ball right there. We need to get that out. So you push in right here, and then that'll release that like that. Pull that out. All right, now take your strap, put it in like so, and then tighten it up just like that. Now you can take your ball, put it right back in there like that, and there you go. That's how you attach the wrist strap on the Xplorer Grip for the Insta360 Ace Pro.